How are you, viewers? How are you, everyone? This is your teacher, Miranda. Don't forget to share, like, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's do a continuation. We did from question 1 up to 10 multiple choice, grade 9, paper 1, 2024 examinations. Okay, so let's look at question 11. Question 11 is saying, section B. Find the value of 4 raised to the power 3 divided by 4. Divided by 4. So this one can be written as very simple. We have simple method. You can be written as 4 to the power 3 divide by is over 4, which can be written as 4 power 3 means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 all the way over what? 4. Now, there's a rule which says that when having something which is or same things on the numerator and the denominator, you can simply eliminate. So this 4 here will enter 1, this 4 here will enter 1. What will remain there on the numerator is 4 times 4, which you have what? 16. So for question 11, the answer is 16. We move. Let's go to question 12. Question 12 is saying B is equal to 6 negative 12 3 9 0 3. What are we looking for? We're looking for the first question is saying state the order. State the order of a matrix. When I say state the order of a matrix, what do you mean? You say we count the number of rows and number of columns. Then, as we can see, these are what we call rows, and these are what we call what? Columns. So when I say the order, it means you want to know the number of rows and the number of columns that you have in this matrix. So how many rows do you have? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows and 2 columns. So the answer here, it is 3 by 2 matrix. That's the answer for question 12A. Now, without wasting time, let's answer together question 12B. Find the value of 1 over 3b. 1 over 3b, just a matter of substituting. We have equal to 1 over 3. What is our b? Our b, just a matter of replacing. We have here, we have a 6, we have negative 12, we have a 3, we have 9, we have 0, we have 3. Now, how do you find this value of 1 over 3 multiplied by this one? So this means that, pay attention. Let me show you nicely. This means that 1 over 3 times 6. Again, so you multiply 1 over 3 times each element or in this matrix. So again, you say leave a space 1 over 3 times negative 12. Then again, we say, okay, 1 over 3 times 3. Again, 1 over 3 times this 9. Again, 1 over 3 times 0. Like that. Then again, 1 over 3 multiplied by what you have multiplied by the 3, this one here. Then when you multiply, it allow me to show you the final answer this side. When you multiply, we are going to have 1 over 3 times 6. We know that 3 into 6 is 2. 2 times 1, it is a 2 here. The next here, 1 over 3 times negative 12. 3 into negative 12. 3 into 12 is 4, but it will be negative because of the negative. Negative 4. Negative 4 times 1, you have a negative 4 here. Then 3 into 3 is a 1. 1 times 1 is a 1 here. 3 into 9 is a 3. 3 times 1 is a 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Then 3 into 3, it is a 1. 1 times 1 is a 1. So the answer, it is 2, negative 4, 1, 3, 0, 1. That is the answer. This is the answer, I can say. Okay, we move. Let's look at the next question. The next question is saying, okay, it's saying find 13. Solve the equation. 2x plus 4 is equal to 2. To solve an equation, what do? We simply group like terms together. What are we having? 2x is equal to 2. Once the 4 comes this side, it will be minus 4. So 2x is equal to 2 minus 4, you have a negative 2. I'm making x the subject. The only way you can separate x and the 2 here is to divide by 2 both sides, making x the subject of the formula. So over 2 here as well. 2 goes, x is equal to 2 into negative 1, or 2 into negative 2, it is negative 1. So the answer for question 13 is 1. The answer for question 13 is what? 1. Okay, we move. Let's look at the next question. The next question is falling under, as you can see, is falling under Pythagoras theorem. It's Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So you have the figure below shows a garden A, B, C, D. There's A here. I'll show you A, B, C, D at the farm, in which A to D is 5 meters, A to B it is 16 meters, and B all the way to C it is 17 meters. What are we calculating? We are calculating the distance of CD. Now to find the distance of CD, C here, look at this, CD, it is the hypotenuse. To find the distance from C to D is very simple. To find this distance from C to D from the Pythagoras theorem, we all know that we add the squares of the adjacent side. So meaning you're going to say CD, the hypotenuse squared, equal to, we're going to add DE squared plus EC. We add the squares of the adjacent side. So now, just matter, let's replace together. What is DE? DE is same as AB because it's a rectangle. These two sides are the same, as you can see. So this is 16. Also, DE is what? Is 16 squared plus. Now look at this. We are saying from B to C it is 17 meters. Now what about E to C? E to C, you need to subtract 17 all the way minus from here up to there it is a 5. So in short, from E to C it is 17 minus 5, which is what? A 12 squared. So just say 17 minus 5, you have that. So CD squared is equal to, now what is 16 times 16? Remember, this is paper 1. Or I can say grade 9, there's no calculator, so to speak. So let's say 16 multiplied by 16. 6 times 6 is 36. Let's do together. We write a 6, carry a 3. 6 times 1, we're having a 6 plus 3. We have a 9. 1 times 6 is a 6. 1 times 1, you have a 1. Let's simply add. You have a 6 here. Here, we're going to have a 5. 15. Here, we're going to have a 2. So here, you have 256 plus. Then what are we having this side? It's 12 times 12, which is 144. CD squared is equal to, when add these two, it will give us a 400. Now, to find CD, you need to get rid of the power 2. This car 2, you get rid of it. How do you do it? You introduce the square root, both sides. That's what you do. So, this and this will go, CD is equal to square root of 400, it is a 20. Is what? A 20, because 20 times 20, it is 400. So the answer, it is 400 meters. 400 meters. So please, if you have a question, you are free to inbox in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe my YouTube channel so that whenever I post a video, you can receive a notification for the new video. So let's move to the next question here. Next question, let's read together. It is falling under function. That's question 15. Function. Those you can see, I've zoomed it. So for function, it's saying the function f of x is equal to 2x minus 2 over what? 4. You are finding f of 11. This is very simple. What's the meaning of this? This means that where there's x here, we just need to replace 11 there. So I'm going to say f of 11 now. Simple, 2. Where there's x, we're just plugging in the 11 minus 2. Just follow it the way it is going. So what do you have here? 2 times 11, you have a 22 minus 2 over 4 all the way. Then from here, this is now, you can get the answer. So what is 22 minus 2? You have a 20 over 4. What is f of 11? F of 11 is equal to 20 into 20 divided by 4. You have a 5. So f of 11, the answer is a 5. So this is the format you're supposed to follow whenever you're working out the final exam or the questions. This is a normal procedure because essential of working without losing of marks. Then let's look at the next question. The next question is on the next video. I'll post the next video anytime soon. Thank you.